Fantastic. Okay, good morning, everyone. Okay, we have Lee Chin, Dorothy, Alex, and then today we have public that's joining us also. Okay, Rodney, Ronald. We have how many right now? We have like 170. I think in the public there's about 230 right now. Okay, happy National Day, everyone. Okay, let's get started. Okay, yes, today is public, right? So must remember to talk about disclaimer. Okay, so whatever I share with you all today is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Type yes if you agree. And please mute yourself so that I don't need to mute your. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, today gonna be 3 parts. Okay, for the public, we do this weekly webinar with our graduates. For the public, maybe we do once every 2 weeks. But for what we do is in our weekly graduates meeting, we will maintain a portfolio of stocks. Okay. And then we will go through the markets. Okay, generally they're going through the SMT index, the US index, the Singapore index, and the Hong Kong index. And then lastly, we will give some time for stocks. You know, if you have any specific stocks that you're looking at, then we will go through that part. Okay, usually it's about these 3 parts. 3 parts. Okay, but first is the market outlook. Okay. Market outlook is just to help you to know how much to hedge. Okay, number 2 is to look at the portfolio that we are monitoring right now. And then thirdly is to look at your individual stocks. And we do this weekly, okay? Whether you're SMT graduate many years ago or you're SMT graduate now, okay, it's a weekly webinar. Okay, the public, can you all hear my voice? Yes. Okay, so if not, then let's get started. Okay, let's look at the S&P 500 first. Okay, this is the S&P 500 charts. Okay, since about maybe 1-2 months ago, we stopped looking at this. Okay, we stopped looking at this S&P 500 chart because I want everyone to be familiar with using the S&P index chart using the position trading. Okay, using position trading. So then your trading become less arbitrary, become more objective. Okay, so let's look at S&P 500 using the weekly charts right now. Okay, can you all tell me what is the weekly charts of the S&P 500? Is it up or down or sideways? Okay, up. Okay, it's up. And then about 2 weeks ago, last week, we mentioned that it has broken the resistance. Yes or no? Last week, we mentioned it had broken the resistance over at this part. Okay, we mentioned this last week. And then this week, there is a follow-through. Can you see there's a follow-through of the break of resistance? Type yes. Okay, yes, a follow-through of the break of resistance. So did we mention this last week? And then this week, there's a follow-through of the break of resistance. So now we go into the daily charts. Okay, how about the daily charts? Do you think it's up or down? Up, right? Okay, and last week you also mentioned that it's going more bullish. Okay, it's going more bullish. And we have this S&P index. After breaking up the resistance, okay, it's broken up 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, all right, wait. Okay, even though with the US China tension, objectively we're looking at the market is up. Yes or no? Okay, that is the S&P 500. Okay, so again, we mentioned this thing is more for you to hedge. Like how many positions should you hedge? Generally, we are long, but if you want to do short, then you can do maybe out of 5 stocks, you can do 4 long, 1 short. That means 4 buy and 1 sell, or you can do 3 long and 2 short. You know, but if let's say the market is more bullish, then you may have to want to have more long than short. Okay. You should not go like 4 short and 1 long. Okay, then that's not correct. Okay, generally we are still on the bullish bias. Yes or no? Okay, this is how we use this market outlook for to do that. Okay. On the other hand, if you are trading the index alone, that means you're just trading S&P index. Of course, then you can use the S&P index to trade. Okay, that is what you can do if you use the S&P index to trade. Okay, so our public one also mostly SMT graduates also. Okay, public we get 436 right now, and right now we have like 200 plus in the graduates group. Okay, so any question on S&P index? We have the weekly, we have the daily. S&P index, any question? The more question we type no, then we can move on next one. Okay, so next is the NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ index. Okay, know that now the S&P index is basically just that few big stocks. Okay, but doesn't matter. Okay, we look at the index, we trade the index. Okay, so for NASDAQ, let's go to weekly chart first. What is the weekly charts? Up or down? Up. Okay, so for those public, okay, basically this color is to help you to look at whether it's up or down. If it's blue color, generally it's up. Okay, this dotted black line shows you the resistance. So right now the resistance has broken over here, and the new resistance has not been formed, and the trend is still up. Okay, for this for public. Okay, and I think with graduates also is a good refresher lah. Okay, so then for the daily charts, what do you think? It's up or down? Up also, right? Okay, because we have the arrows, we have the it's also going up. Okay, we have broken above the resistance about last 4 days also. Yes. Okay, so generally, even yesterday, there's some talk about, they go and ban TikTok or whatever. It's still like that. Okay, got it? Type okay, then we can move on to the next index. Any question, you can type the index. Oh yeah, if we have public, right, we always do this tradition. Okay, we got like right now close to 230 people, and I think public also, some of them went to the Facebook group. Okay, if you want to if you recommend SMT to the public, right, can you please type in SMT? Okay, please type in SMT. Okay, thank you. Okay, this one we do tradition. Okay, what is the dotted line below? Okay, the dotted line below is actually the support. Okay, this is the support. Disclaimer say already. Okay, this is disclaimer. Okay. Okay, Raymond, SMT, that one. Okay, that one. Okay, so this is the support line, and this is the resistance line. Okay, summary, revision. Okay, so this tells you the trend. Okay, whether the trend is going up or down. So from here onwards, the trend is up. Okay, this tells you the strength of the trend. So the strength of the trend. This is a strong uptrend. This is a strong uptrend. This is by a strong uptrend. And recently, actually, the thing actually turned strong uptrend also. Okay, so this is the strength of the trend. This is the direction of the trend. Okay, this is the support line, and this is the this is the support line. Red color is the support line, and the black color is the resistance line. So you can see from here, the resistance keep going higher, the support keep going higher. Okay, so this is to guide you to trade. Okay, of course the arrow is to follow lah. Okay, all the TA looks positive, but FA look bearish, but we follow the TA, right? Okay, we don't follow the FA, correct or not? Okay, because the FA since not now lah, I mean since like March is already bearish. Yes or no? It's not now, it's bearish. The news continues to be bad. Okay, but if you read the news, it's going to be difficult. Yes or no? Okay, so then you'll miss out the run. Okay, so US tech, US tech, some of the US tech has weakened. Okay, the common names, some of the US tech has common names, some of them has weakened. Okay, so later if we have chance, we can third part we can look at the US tech. Okay, so now let's go into STI first. Okay, let's go into STI first. Okay. So for those public, right, if you want to join us, you can go to this website, CollinSeow.com/SWB, become part of our secret society. They call it, okay, not secret, it's public society. Okay, so join us part of this group, move together and be profitable together. Okay, so next one we go to Hang Seng. Okay, Hang Seng Index. Okay, again, weekly charts. Okay, weekly charts. Okay, so weekly charts. Let's remove everything first. Okay, so this is the weekly charts. What do you think is the weekly charts? Up or down? Okay, down. Okay, the weekly chart is down. Okay, support is around here. Here's the support. Okay, support is around here. Red color. Okay, this is the weekly charts. Daily charts. What do you think is the daily charts? Up or down? Daily charts is also down, right? Okay, so we have a trend line over here. Okay, but again, trend line is very subjective. Okay, very subjective. What I want to do is, instead of using the trend line, we use the colors. Okay, it's much easier. Okay, so the mood is bearish. Okay, long term is bearish. The mood is bearish. Okay, for SMT graduates, remember this mode tells you the color right now. Okay, what's the color right now? This color right now is bearish. Okay, and then the daily charts. Okay, the daily charts, even though this part is bullish, but the mood is still bearish. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I would say it's not like very downtrend. Okay, if you go click on 6 months, it's not downtrend like this. Okay, it is more like a sideways trend. Yes or no? Y'all agree? It's more like a sideways trend. It's not like a downtrend like this. Okay, it's more like right now it's like this, like this, like this. So more like sideways trend. Okay, so look at 6 months. Looks like a sideways trend consolidating. Okay, so this is the weekly charts. This is the daily charts. Okay, and then once in a while we can look at the monthly charts also. Okay, once in a while we can look at the monthly charts to tell us where are we in the big picture. Okay, this is the monthly chart. We don't always look at the monthly chart. The monthly chart is not very useful. Okay, but when we look at monthly chart, then we see where are we in the whole context of like economic cycle versus stock market cycle. Where are we? Okay, so we have the Asia financial crisis. This is SARS. This Asia financial crisis over here. Okay, then we have SARS. Then we have global financial crisis, and then I think this is more like the Euro crisis. Okay, so where are we right now? We're around here lah. Okay, the Hang Seng Index haven't really dropped into the value zone yet. Okay, but it's not at the high. Okay, it's not the high. It's more like at the lower side. Okay, so that's for the Hang Seng Index. Any question for Hang Seng Index? No question. We look at STI Index. No question. And type no. Then we go to STI Index. Okay. Okay. So let's do a monthly first. Okay. Let's do a monthly first. So STI has actually hit like a value level. Okay, you ask me, STI has actually hit like a value level over here. Okay, let me remove everything. So this is Asia financial crisis. And some of you all maybe haven't started trading yet. This is SARS. This is global financial crisis, and this is what crisis is that? COVID crisis. Okay. So if you draw a line, okay, if you draw a line roughly around here, we have more or less reached that area. Yes or no? I wouldn't say it's a exact level, but more or less we have reached an area. Okay. Downside, okay, I think is limited. Okay, maybe we can have another maybe 10% downside, but the upside is a lot lah. Yes or no? The upside is a lot. Okay, so just measure the downside and upside. Okay, what I feel is it's like that, guys. Okay, let's say example, we have Asia financial crisis, and then when SARS happened, okay, SARS happened, SARS was also very bad, okay, but it's higher than Asian financial crisis because of inflation. Okay, same thing, global financial very bad, but it's higher than the SARS. Okay, coronavirus very, very bad, but it should be higher than global financial crisis. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Don't go all in, okay, Li Ching. Okay, that's not the way to trade. Okay, so the way to go in, if you are long term, then you go in tranches. Okay, you can go 30, 30, 30, something like that. Okay, it may not be the lowest right now, Li Ching. Okay, but at this level, if you want to buy some, I think it's okay. Hey guys, this is long term. Okay, this long term. So buy already, you must also have some context. Okay. This OCBC chart also, just to show you, since Asia financial crisis, what's happening to the banks? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, this is what's happening to the bank. Can you all see the context? Okay. Okay, the context is something like that. Got it? Okay, buy in tranches. Okay, so that's what you'll do. But the key again I mentioned is if you want to do that, you must be able to don't see that. Okay, just hold for long term. Got it? Okay, it's the value zone, but the trend, guys. Okay, the great trend, if you all can see, okay, the trend is what trend? The trend now it is still what? The trend is still down, yes or no? It's still bearish. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's still bearish. Okay. The TA is still bearish. Okay. So just to take note. Okay. So to be so aggressive to buy, you can buy maybe one time here, then 3 months down the road another time, then 3 months down the road another time. You all follow what I'm saying? Okay. So that's what you should consider. But this is long term. Okay, this is long term. This is more for value. Okay, so don't mix the value with the growth. Okay, all these stocks here are growth. Okay, all these stocks here are the growth stocks. But all these stocks are value. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so you can buy the ETF if you want. Okay, you can do the ES3 STI ETF. Okay, or some kind of ETF. Okay, got it. Okay, this one I think still pay dividend. Okay, every year still pay dividend. 5 cents, 6 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents. So around 5 to 6 cents. Yes or no? Okay, around 5 to 6 cents. Okay, so go and calculate lah. So let's say example 5 cents on a 260 is around 5% already. Yes or no? Okay, actually it's quite good. Yes or no? Oh, it's quite good. So 5% is good, quite good lah. Right or not? 5 cents on a 260, right? No, it's not 5 cents. It's 5 cents or 260 is only 2%. Sorry, 2%. Okay, but I think they pay out more than once. They pay out twice, right? 1 year pay out twice. Let's see, 1/8, 1 time, 2 times. Yeah, they pay out twice. Okay, they pay out twice. So 5 cents plus 5 cents is about 10 cents. Okay, 10 cents, 5 to 6 cents. Okay, so 10 cents, yeah. So it's about 4 to 5%. Good or no good? What do you all think? Not bad lah. Yes or no? Or 4 to 5 cents. Or will the STI like go to zero one lah? Okay, if STI go to zero, end of the world already. So no need. Then we all don't need to trade also. Okay, got it. Okay, so okay, let's go to our individual stocks. Okay, today we have to spend some time since we have time to. I know I mentioned it's a short one but we have time because it's public also, right? Let's go through the stocks. Okay, so the stocks that we talk about. Okay, allow me to. Because the sign is scan, nothing to trade. Okay, but these stocks are stocks that we mentioned in the group already. Yes or no? Okay, EBS, we mentioned this in the group already, right? Type yes if you see, right? Yeah. So for the public, we during the week I sometimes also put up stocks. Okay, so but today, right, I look at the whole market, I scan, right? Is there anything to buy today? Don't have. Okay. But where was my EBS? EBS is 3rd, yeah, okay. 3rd of August. This is about 7 days ago. Okay, 7 days ago when I post up with the SBBS. Okay. Okay, this is 3rd of August. Okay, so I already posted okay, but today there's no signal. Okay, so EBS I think can still look at to buy. Okay, now it's up from the 3rd August until now. It's up about 13%, but I think it's still a buy. Okay, best is to follow the arrows. Okay, best is to follow the arrows when the arrow appear. Okay, SMT graduates, you should know how to enter, right? Once it break the high, this will be the signal. Yes or no? Okay, this will be the signal. So this is one. I think quite a lot of you all went in. Okay, so what at speed? Okay, Okay, this is since 5 days ago we talked about this. Okay. Next stock is Huya yesterday, Friday dropped quite a bit. Okay, because of they talk about the banning of TikTok and things like that. But okay, let's take a look. Okay, Huya got a lot of signals already. Yes or no? Okay, how many have already EBS? Type EBS. I don't know how many have here. I know some of you should have. How many have EBS? Oh, quite a lot. Okay, so some of you have already 5 days ago, 7 days ago, right? So okay, so Huya, if you follow the traditional conservative method, we look at the teeth, already have more than that already. Okay, first arrow with teeth, second arrow with teeth, third arrow with teeth already. Yes or no? We got at least 3 arrow with teeth. Here one, second one, third one arrow with teeth. Okay, so this is like the 4th arrow with teeth already. Yes or no? Okay, if you're doing the aggressive entry, you can click a 6 months high. Okay, 6 month high. Okay, once you click a 6 months high, you can actually see this was the part where it cleared the 6 months high. Yes or no? Okay, after it clears the 6 month high from here, you can still enter 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, still got more time. Okay, who has Huya? Type in Huya. Huya. Okay, some of you have, right? Okay, so Huya also mentioned in the group, also live lah. Okay, also live, right? We talk about Huya, but Huya, I think if you enter right now, below water. Okay, but let's take a look and see how it happen. Where's my Huya? I didn't post Huya. Okay, never mind. Oh, I haven't posted. Okay, so Huya is a stock that I'm looking at. Okay, so this one, do take a look. Okay, oh, in the band's Facebook group, no wonder. Okay, another thing why I like Huya is because I look at this. Okay, is this is a bit TA. Okay, so it's a bit unfair. Okay, so try not to for you all, try not to do the TA part. Okay, because sometimes you are confused. Okay. Okay, so these 2 stocks in our list right now. Okay, in our list right now. Okay, so if not, then we go through the rest. Who has ENTG? ENTG, type in ENTG. Okay, ENTG is last week one. Okay, last week stock. Okay, so also came back down. Okay, but this is like arrow number 1. Okay, arrow number 1. Okay, I think by now you all know that emotional roller coaster. The best example is SMT, PASS. Sometimes you buy already, it will be profit, and then profit already become loss. Yes or no? Then after that, then follow. Yes or no? Got it? No red candle, guys. Okay. Won't red lah. Okay, no red lah. Okay. It must drop a lot to red lah. So I don't think will. Okay. So now is pullback. Okay. Sometimes if you want to look at the trend, okay, you can also look at this. Okay, look at this to help you to understand context. To understand context. What is the context? So the context is what? What do you think is trend? Uptrend or downtrend? Uptrend, yes or no? Okay, so why the price pullback is because the CCI is high and then now it's pulling back. Please don't cut loss, okay? Please don't anyhow cut loss. Okay, the day go on, anyhow cut loss. Okay, guys, yes or no? Oh, don't anyhow like, oh, suddenly drop a panic, cut loss. Okay, are we good? Type good, then we can move on to the next one. Leo, PTT exited already, right? Okay. By the way, let's thank Leo. Leo is a very always help us to post up. Okay, can we type in thanks Leo? Okay, Leo every week, every day almost, he will be posting up stocks and things like that. Okay, so really appreciate, okay, for doing this. I think the rest also are not only Leo, there's others that are posting regularly in the group. Okay, so really appreciate, because the community is not me. Okay, if it's me, I cannot okay, it's really about everybody. Okay, so that's what I like about the group. Okay, so thanks Leo, thanks the rest for posting up. You know, this is the kampong spirit, right? Everybody help everybody, everybody hot together. Yes or no? everybody work together and do the correct way, okay? Next is, so this one, if you're holding ANTG, basically nothing much you need to do. You know that market is overbought. Right now it's pulling back. Oh, by the way, this is a very strong uptrend. Yes or no? It's a very strong uptrend. So what can you do? What can you do is you can use the what? 10 MA. Wow, you're very pro already. I love it, man. Okay. So you can use a 10 MA to cut you. Got it? Okay. So you can use 10 MA to cut you. You may even put a 20 MA. Doesn't matter. The price is oversold. Yes or no? Okay. So what may happen is the candle may slow down, may shorten, and then after that you can also do a what? If it breaks above the high, you can also do a swing. Okay, if you want to do a swing, you can also do a swing. Okay, so next, let's go to CSGP. Okay, all this is in the juicy list one. Okay, all these stocks are the juicy list stocks. Okay, so if you daily charts, what's the trend? The trend is up or down? Up now. Okay, the trend is sloping up. Market, the index, the price is very overbought. Okay, so it's okay to pull back. I think this is very strong. Okay, I think this is very strong. Why? Because after this huge breakout, okay, this breakout is above the resistance. Okay, breakout the resistance. The consolidation is so little only. Okay, I hope that it consolidate a bit more. That means if you can consolidate back to at least here or here, then even better. Okay, but seems like the consolidation is so shallow right now. Yes or no? Okay, this is considered one up move. From here to here is considered one up move. So this is considered like a one down move. But the down move is so so shallow. Okay. So anyway, if you follow the signal, okay, you just follow. Okay. The entry is still around the same price right now. Okay. So who has CSPG? This one not so high volume. Type in CSPG if you have CSPG. Not so high volume. The only thing is it's not so high volume. That's the only thing I'm not thinking not so good. Okay. But the rest, the chart wise, the TA wise, I think is good. Okay. So next one, GSX. Okay, who has GSX? Oh, GSX is fantastic. Okay, GSX. Who has GSX? Type in GSX. Last few days drop, but don't care now. Okay. Still chong all the way. Yeah. Okay. Then what lah? Okay, so it went from our first signal 6th of July, 6th of July until now. It is June. This is June. July is here. July is 6th of July. 6th of July, right? Until now, right? It's about. It went almost 95% return. Now it's about 57% return. Don't complain, okay? So hang on, okay? Hang on. See whether we can be like Zoom like that. Zoom until 100%. Okay? So got it? Okay? Chandini asked, can enter now. Now we got other stocks, right? We must look for GSX. GSX is July stock. Yes or no? Okay? This July, 6th of July. This is now, it's 10th of August. One month, 1 week already. Yes or no? Okay. Don't chase guys. Okay, follow the system. So some of you have GSX also, right? So 57%. Okay, maybe I just write this down. Okay, so that's why I was too lazy to write down. Okay. Next one, it's not this one. Sorry, this one is here. CSGG. Who has CSGG? Type in CSGG. This one I think a lot of you all have. Yes or no? Okay, a lot of you have, right? CSGG. All-time high, guys. Fantastic, okay? You are June, okay? 22nd of June. This one also a bit test patient, yes or no? Oh, after we bought, right, 22nd, it went down. Yes or no? After 22nd, it went down like 10%. Oh, so hey, by 22nd after that, top 10% already. Then now it's up 27%. Good or no good? 27% in like 2 months. If it's good, type good. Okay, good, right? Okay, 27% in 2 months is good lah. You put in a bank, 0.5% return a year. Okay, 0.5% 27 is 57, 54 here, is it? Okay. Guys, okay, so CSGG, okay, so not only good, damn good, okay. So for public, okay, wow, we have 600 people in the public group, okay. So come and join us, okay. The next SMT class, can join us, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Come and join us in our community, okay. Thank you. Okay, so next one, PASS. Wow, this one also very hard. Who have PAS? Type PAS. This one very hard, Wow, this one also emotional roller coaster. After we bought 1st of June here, okay, it went down like 15-16%, yes or no? Then now it's like up 22%, yes or no? Okay, continue to hang on. Continue to hang on to the trade, yes or no? Okay, do a bit of a gap down, no need to worry lah. Okay, in the beginning also got gap down, yes or no? Okay, after the 1st of June, also got gap down, right? Can you see here? Also got gap down here. Don't need to worry so much. Okay, so you have PSS, hang on 22% in 2 months. Fantastic. Okay, just hang on 22%. Let me write this down. Okay. So, Jia Jun, no need to worry lah. Okay, if you worry, make money, no need to worry one. Okay, next one, COUP. Who has COUP? Also went down recently, right? Who has COUP? Type in COUP. Okay, some of you have, right? Okay, so it went as high as 39%. Last few days, drop. Okay, now it's about 26%. Okay, so this one, you decide, okay, whether you want to get out or not, okay? So if you use the, since COUP since 25th of May here, right? 25th of May. If you want to use the trailing stop, you can, okay? For me, I very slow one, okay? So I wait for candlestick turn, red, yes or no? I wait for candlestick turn red, then I exit. Got it? Okay, so any question? One thing is, Collin, why never sell here at this point, you know? The answer is we don't know lah. Just like Zoom like that, crowd. We don't know. When it turn red, then we sell lah. Got it? Yes or no? Yes, then we move on. Hello? Oh, I think a bit hang. Because public got like 650, graduate got like 256, okay? I think some of the graduate went to the public. Okay, so when it turn red, then get out, okay? But don't anticipate, guys. Okay, don't anticipate. Okay, sometimes it will trick you, okay? Next one. So this is 24%. Okay, let's say 24%. Next one is HZMP. Wow, this one very hard. Who has HZMP? Can you type in HZMP, please? Who has HZMP? Public also. If you have HZMP, type in HZMP. Okay. This one since 18th of May, 18th of May, which is here, up 63% in 3 months. So little people have HZMP, man. I thought a lot of people have. Okay. So HZMP, if you have, type in HZMP. Okay, thank you. Kit have, Kit. Okay, 63%. Okay, so how come you all don't have? I thought a lot of people have. How many took profit already? How many took profit before it went up? Some will have. I think it's hanging. So anyway, I took some. Okay, you see. That's the thing. When you take some profit, you may not experience. Okay, so 63%. Hang on, guys. Okay, hang on to this. Okay, next one is Nvidia. Who have Nvidia also breaking new high? Type in NVDA. Okay, top about 28%, guys. Okay, 28%. Guys, if you all break rules, you all know what to do, right? Okay, we all break the rules, you all take profit earlier. Then I suggest you all keep record. Yes or no? Keep record. If you take profit, how is it? If you don't take profit, how is it? The rules are there to keep you safe. Understand? The rules are there to keep you safe. But if you break rules, you say, I'm breaking the rules. I bear the consequences. Yes or no? Okay, I'm not saying, and now I don't want to say, oh, don't break rules. I say, you all want to break rules, you all break rules, but you all know the consequences. Okay, so like take a profit half one, Jonathan, you all know, okay, I'm taking profit half, I want to wreck the rest. Okay, then keep record also. Okay, so this one since 18th of May, around here, about 31%. Yes or no? NVDA, who have NVDA? If NVDA, well, get everything also have one. Damn power. Okay, 31% up. Okay, so next one is ESTY. Who have ESTY? Type in ESTY. ETSY. Exit. ETSY. Who have ETSY? Type ETSY also a lot of people have. Okay, so ETSY since 11th of May here until now. Wow, 64%. What? Okay, what or not? I think you're very hot lah. Okay. Who have ETSY? ETSY. Super hot lah. Okay. 64%. Okay. And then PTD, we exited already. PTD exited already. Okay. So let me remove PTD. But we exited just to show public, right? We exited already. PTD. And here, okay, about 40. Why this one always keep here? It's 41% to 45%. We exited here already. Okay. So the 41%. And then mRNA, who have mRNA? Type in mRNA. The earlier one, maybe people don't have. Okay. Who still have mRNA? This one, earlier one, 6th of April one. So who have mRNA? Well, if you have, I congratulate you. You all can really hold. Okay. This is not a sell signal, guys. Okay. Because it didn't break the low, but I don't think I have enough time to explain for the public. But this is not a sell signal. Yes or no? Graduate, you all know, right? This is not a sell signal. That yes, if you all agree, this is not a sell signal till date, right? 6th of April till now. 6th of April till now. This one very hot. Voila! 110%. Okay, 110%. Okay, so fantastic. Okay, you're holding. Congratulations. These are the earlier stocks, okay, that we hold at 110%. In how long? In about 4个月啦. Okay, 4 months, 110%. Okay. REGN, maybe some of you have. REGN, who have? These are very early stocks. Type in REGN if you have REGN. Nobody. Okay. Anyway, red candle already. Okay. Just watch it, or you have. Jonathan have. Watch it, guys. Okay. This one candlestick turn red. So already, Adrian. Okay. How come so fast sell? So watch the low. Okay. Watch the low. If it breaks below the low, can take lah. Okay. 31% in about 32% is about much. 5个月. 5 months, 32% is good. Adrian and get together, right? Last one, ZM we recently closed already. M recently closed already, 164%, but we closed already, so I took out already. Okay, those that I take profit already, I took out already. Okay, so this 164 I took out already. Okay, so just now got this FIS. This one is all for hedging, guys. Okay, all these shorts are for hedging. Okay, all these shorts are for hedging one, not to make money one. Okay, you all understand what is hedging, right? It's not to make money, it's to short the weak. So if the market goes down, at least you can protect your downside. Okay, this one is wrong. Okay, so this one is still a long position. Okay, these are still long position. So we have 533. 533. Who has 533? This is 553. Always wrong, 553. This is more of a swing trade. Okay, so for public, right? Swing trade is about 1 month to about 6 months. This month is about 3 to 9 months. Okay, 3 to 9 months. This one is about 1 month to about 6 months. Okay, usually about 3 months you close position. Okay, so this one we entered at 27 July, which is around 27, around this candle. Okay, 2 weeks ago. Okay, 2 weeks ago we entered. Okay, it triggered already. We're hanging on. Nothing much we need to do. Basically, hang on to the trade right now. Okay, just to plug in the GMMA to show you. All right, GMMA is here. Okay, so at least you have some context. Why is it like that? Okay, so sloping up, then consolidation. 2 weeks ago we went in around here. Okay, let's see how it goes. If wrong, then cut lah. But please don't cut prematurely. Please don't cut prematurely. Okay, so the stop loss is around here. Okay, around here. Please don't do. If you cut early, it's wrong. You're trading wrongly. Understand? Okay, if your trading is wrong, then please don't anyhow trade. Okay, some people anyhow cut loss. Okay, I don't mention name, but some of them they make money already. Okay, after make money already, then they become suddenly very conservative. This is not the way to trade also. Okay, so just follow the rules. Don't go and break the rules. After you become profitable, you start to come out with new rules. Got people like that or not? Suddenly you become very conservative. Why? Because scared you lost your profit. You make money already, right? You lock in your profit. You scared your profit lose back again. So suddenly you become very conservative. This is not the way to do that also. Okay. Next one is China A50. China A50. Wow, this one must be patient. Who has China's A50? China A50. Type A50. Okay, today is up, wow, today is up. China A50 for me is long also can, long term also can, short term also can. Okay, so I use 2823 as a guide. 2823 as a guide. Okay, so you look at this. Okay, we have broken the resistance over here. We have broken the resistance over here. The price has pulled back. If we go into weekly charts, it's a bit more obvious. Okay, so the resistance over here broke above the resistance over here right now. Break the resistance turn support. Okay, support is here. Okay, if you use the trader GPS, you'll be like that. Okay, weekly trend is up or down. Weekly trend A50 up or down? Up, okay, up. Okay, weekly trend is up. Daily trend is up also. Yes or no? Or up also. Okay, so if you use a swing trade on the weekly charts, this one, because it's very strong trend, we will use the 10 MA. Okay, we use the 10 MA. It's a very strong trend. Right now, actually, if you ask me, it's very strong. Okay, this break out of the resistance right now, pull back. The 10 MA is still here. Need to catch up lah. Okay, the 10 MA need to catch up. Okay, the price and the 10 MA must meet, and then the CCI. Okay, the CCI may not drop so low. Okay, the CCI, because it's very strong uptrend, it may be somewhere between here and here. Okay, but this is a weekly trade setup. Okay, next few weeks can go and take a look at it. Okay, next few weeks can go and take a look at it. So actually, this one weekly trade haven't really got the weekly trade setup yet. Yes or no? Don't have the weekly trade setup yet. Okay, so if to have the weekly trade setup, okay, you need to have this like that. Got it? Okay, so you plot the CCI, then like that. Okay, so just watch out for it. Got it? Type yes, then we can move on. A50. Oh, by the way, public, can you all please like and share the post? Then in the future we can do more for the public. Okay, please like and share. Can we have at least 10 share? 10 share in the public group. If public you all like this, please like and share. Okay, please like and share. Let's let's aim for at least 10 share for the group. Okay. So guys, please follow the rules. Okay. Someone asked, right? Facebook ask 50 can do. No. Okay. Let's follow exactly. We can use the 10 MA. We can use the 10 MA, but with the CCI still want to drop below 100 like that. Okay. So this one still want to drop below 100 like that. Got it? Okay, so follow the rules. Okay, this one, if you cannot use the weekly swing to do, you can use the trader GPS to do. Okay, you can use the trader GPS to do like that. Got it? Okay, so next is you can use the trader GPS to guide you. Okay, you can use the trader GPS to guide you. Jennifer asks, you can change this MA. Click on this one. Oh, you can click on this one, then you can change MA. For those that don't know, please see, okay. This one, okay. ETNG is new stock, okay. So new stock, -1, minus negative. So okay lah. I think all the stocks here, when you buy at time, in between it will no negative one. Got it? Okay, so let me go. Actually, all the stocks, you see, PASS, COUP, SMT, all these stocks, right? In between, after 1 week you buy, it may drop below the entry one. Understand? Okay, so don't be so concerned. Okay, I just look at the highest one. Let's say ETSY. Usually it doesn't go in straight line one. That means you're not like, oh, immediately bam, profitable one. Okay. So let's say example, ETSY 11 of May, right? 11 of May is here. Oh, this is 11. See, after 11 of May, the stock 11 of May, after you buy here, it still come down, you see, from here, 11 of May, it still come down at least around 12%, even 15%. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you cannot do it, then you lose out that 64%. Got it? Same for HMP, same for COUP, same for NVIDIA, same for the rest. Okay, so don't need to worry. The key is don't overtrade. Okay, don't overtrade. Next is let me finish up the rest. All these are weekly swing. Okay, it's for hedging. Okay, it's not for making money. It's just to make sure that you are short and that hedge correctly. Okay, so all this short hedge correctly. WB, all this, please take progressive profit. Okay, I mentioned here already, take progressive profit. If you are in profit and you want to take out your hedge, that means you see that the market is going more bullish, you want to take off your hedge, you can. Okay, but have some hedge lah. Okay, so all this WB, it went down as much as 9%. Now it's down now it's profitable at 4%. You want to take some, you can. Okay, UAL, all this same. Okay, so all this, you got money, you want to take off your hedge, you can. Okay, so this one it went down as much as 15%. Now it's like neutral. Okay, now it's like neutral, nothing. Okay, so this one you all want to take, you all can. You get just a 15% profit that potentially you could take. The last one is CVX. Okay. Weekly swing, it went down as much as 10%. Now it's up about 3%. Okay, all these are short position. You want to take some, you can. But guys, you all need to understand one thing. Okay, like example, all this CVX. Since June, market has been climbing up. Yes or no? Market has been climbing up. But you see all this CVX, WAL, all these are down. Yes or no? So what does it tell you about all this stock? These stocks are what? These stocks are weaker. Yes or no? All these are weaker. Okay. Okay, so one or two more, then we will call it a day. So these are long-term buy. Okay, the key again, two things two keys over here. First key is you must buy and then don't see. Okay, buy and then don't see. Buy investing kind. Okay. Second one, this kind of thing cannot go to zero. If you go to zero, you buy, don't see, also don't use. Okay, must eventually go up. Okay, So that is the thing to go. I won't go through them already. And then bullish on China A50. Okay, I'm still bullish on China A50. Okay, so let's go to your individual stocks right now. Wow, 1 hour already. We say short one, right? End up so long. Pick 3 stocks, okay? Two stocks here and then 1 stock in the public. Okay, for public guys, I understand sometimes you all want to make some money to make enough to sign up for the class. But the thing, friends, is if you don't know what to do, you are like a little sampan in the ocean. So the best is you all learn how to do it. It's not because I want to make your course fee or not, guys. Okay, you see the way we do, I can do it myself. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's really because why I want you all to be guided. Yes or no? Okay, do one more time as graduates, okay? If you all recommend people to join us in the SMT, can you all type in SMT, please? Okay. Okay, so that's the reason, guys. Okay, it's not but still the thing is, if you don't do it yourself, you find tips. I scared later I say already wrong. How? Then I SMT already exited. It's not every time is profitable and correct. So you need to also know that when it's wrong and what to do. Yes or no? Okay. We have also ex-fund manager also can join us. I ex-fund manager, right? Yeah. Yeah, we got a lot of because sometimes I meet up you all want to, we got a lot of professionals in our graduate one, okay? We got doctors, a lot okay? And so they got cellists, like go the Singapore Symphony to play cello one. Oh, so many professionals, okay, in the group. Okay, so let's start. Okay. Wow, so many again. Which one should I do? How to do like that? Okay, let's do DDOG. Okay, let's do DDOG because some of your DDOG. Okay, drop a lot, right? Yes or no? Okay, Trader GPS. What to do? Trader GPS. Okay, mark the low and sell. Okay. Okay, so can see from here. First signal, second signal, third signal. Okay, so remember to mark the low. Don't just anyhow sell. Okay, it may rebound a bit for itself, but all this is take profit. Yes or no? Take profit, not cut loss. All this take profit. Got it? Okay, it may not immediately break the low. It may go up first, then come down. Okay, so if it doesn't break the low, please do not sell. Okay, FC, this one cannot short. This one mode is bullish. Mode is bullish. Okay, next one. Let's do one in the public one. Okay, AMD. Who has AMD? So quite a lot of you have AMD. I mean AMD you have. Quite a lot of you have this one. I see in the graduates group, everybody 40 over comment AMD. Okay. So this one is bullish. Okay. It's bullish. Okay. So yes. Okay. So hang on to the stock. Okay. AMD I'm read us, right? So this one is still bullish. Hang on to the stock. This is strong. Okay. Very strong. Got it? Very strong. Okay. Last one. Let's look at Microsoft. Okay. Okay, graduates, actually you all know the things already lah. Okay, so you'll just hang on. Okay, so this one exited. Okay, so this is a profit. We exited already. Right now, this arrow, I don't know this is rank number what. Is this rank high? Microsoft? I don't think it's ranked very high. It's not ranked very high, I think. So this one, unless it's ranked very high, if it's not ranked very high, then please don't take the trade. Okay, so we have a way to rank it. Okay, we have a way to rank to find the best opportunity. Okay, if it's not the best opportunity, then don't trade it. Okay, so we have a way to rank it to see which one is the strongest stock. Okay. Okay, last one. Bonus. Okay, last one. Facebook. Who has Facebook? Facebook broke resistance. Type FB you have. Facebook is strong. Okay, guys. Okay. Facebook just broke a resistance. First arrow, big 6-month high. First arrow. Entry was actually at this candle because didn't break the high. So you enter at this candle. Okay. So then second arrow appear, enter at this candle. Okay. This Facebook is not bad. Okay. Not bad. Facebook. Okay. So public, please go and like and share this post. Let's summarize. Okay. Let's summarize. At the same time, guys, there is no magic formula. Okay. There's no magic formula. There is no holy grail. Okay. The key I want to share with you all is number one, ride the trend. Okay. Why Zoom we can make 160% since February? It's not because we Collin so smart. It's not because of that. It's because we are able to ride the trend. Understand? So that is the first thing. Okay, you must be able to ride the trend. Number two, that you must understand that at the end of the day, there will be times when you're wrong one. Okay, we have been wrong also. Like example, Beyond Meat, what else? Netflix. These are the things we are wrong. Okay. So there are times we are wrong one. So by wrong, then what to do? Just cut loss. Okay, work. And another one we are wrong. So cut loss. That's the thing. Okay. And last thing is our job is not really to predict the market because we can't really predict the market. Our job is really to let the trade take care of itself. Our job is not to predict. Okay, like example, we end in all these stocks, right? Huya or whatever. Does it mean that it will always be right? No, lah. If you're wrong, then what to cut loss? Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, but if you don't know what to do, and you try to over leverage, like example, you say, you try to do options, you try to do funny things, do to forex and things like that, right? Then if you don't know what to do, it will the impact will be even more. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you don't know how to find the correct stocks and you go and trade the wrong stocks and you go and trade options on those, then it will be double negative. Do you follow what I'm saying? Like example, Intel like that. Intel is a downtrend stock. Yes or no? Intel is a downtrend stock. Don't go and fight the trend, okay? Because we don't know when this will end. Yes or no? We don't know when this will end. So don't go and fight the trend. Okay. So these are the few takeaway for you all. The one, be systematic. Okay. Systematic. Don't anyhow go and trade. Okay. Know that you will be wrong. Okay. But when you're wrong, what to do? And then the key is also to ride the trend. Okay. So let's do announcement. Okay. Any announcement today? Maybe next time we should do announcement first. Okay. Announcement. No announcement. Wow, fantastic. No announcement for today. Okay. So, the refresher part 2, the swing trading, right? I thought we do the swing trading already that day. Never mind, we can do again. Okay. Who want to do the swing trading again? Swing trading part. That me, okay. Later after lunch we can do. Okay, the swing trading part. Doing quarterly meeting, I already covered swing trading already, actually. Guys. Okay, I already done the swing trading in the options part, in the refresher part already. Okay. Go to the members area. Okay, go to the members area, go to the refresher part. I actually covered, I remember I covered this in that part already. Okay, so go to premium members area. Premium members area, go to here. Those that missed today's webinar, right? Go to webinar later. You can see the webinar over here. Okay, all the webinars are over here recorded. Then the masterclass, quarterly meeting, we talk about the swing trading already. If you miss this one, actually there are other things that we talk about before, okay, like swing trading and things like that. Okay, we talk about that also. Okay, so any other things? If not, then thank you very much, guys. Thanks for being here. Okay, I wish you all what this week. Okay, and continue to participate in the Facebook group. Okay, if not, then thank you and see you and have a good holiday. Okay, thank you and bye.